If you're considering a Brazilian wax, you're probably wondering how to make it less painful and more effective. You're not alone, thousands search for the same answers every month. The truth: a smooth waxing experience starts before you even walk into the salon. In this video, we'll reveal 7 professional tips that make all the difference. Stick around to the end to learn the most common mistake beginners make, and how to avoid it completely. Book your appointment during the week after your period, not before. That's when your body is naturally less sensitive to discomfort. It might sound simple, but this one trick can reduce pain significantly. Gently exfoliating the area the day before helps remove dead skin. This prevents clogged pores and stubborn ingrown hairs. Avoid scrubbing on the same day. It can cause irritation when you wax. Your hair should be about 1/4 inch long for best results. Too short, and the wax won't grip properly. Too long, and it will hurt more than it needs to. If necessary, trim before your session using clean scissors. A warm shower relaxes your skin and opens up the pores. This makes the hair easier to remove with less tugging. Just be sure to avoid lotions or oils afterward. They interfere with the wax. Don't stay quiet if something feels off or if you're unsure. A trained esthetician will appreciate your honesty and adjust accordingly. Your comfort should always come first. Both caffeine and alcohol can heighten skin sensitivity. Try to avoid them for at least 4 hours before your appointment. This simple change can noticeably reduce the pain level. Apply a fragrance-free soothing gel or aloe vera after waxing. Wear loose clothing to let your skin breathe. Avoid hot baths, sweaty workouts, and direct sun for at least 24 hours. Treat your skin gently, and it will thank you. Not all waxing salons are created equal. Always choose a place with strict hygiene practices and certified professionals. A clean, experienced esthetician is worth every penny. Here's a quick recap of what you learned today. Schedule your appointment post-period. Exfoliate 1 day before. Hair should be about 1/4 inch. Take a warm shower before your visit. Communicate with your esthetician. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Follow up with proper aftercare. Each of these steps makes your Brazilian wax smoother, safer, and less stressful. If this helped you, give us a thumbs up. It helps others find this video. Subscribe to MTH Health for more body care tips, without the fluff. And share this video with someone who's nervous about their first wax. Remember, smooth skin starts with smart choices.